Kasi ano siya teacher, principal, ang kanyang time mostly sa work, and at the same time, less siyang sumaatid ng mga ano namin, ng mga activities namin. Lahat kaming magkakapatid. Kaya ang pinaka-manong memories with my mom, yung aming first communion ko. Kasi that's the first time na sinamahan ako ng nanay ko sa school. We walk to the aisle that's also grade 4, 1984. I won't forget that. May picture pa nga kami niya na magkasama. Okay? Another one is nung nasa Pampanga kami. We play catch. Kasi nga, yung father ko being assigned to different places eh. Eh ngayon, kami lang dalawa ni nanay. And we seldom play. Kasi we always do our chores, do everything. Eh doon, medyo maganda yung lugar. We have time to be with my mom. At the same time, alam mo yung naglalaro kayo ng catch, when you can see it na yung joy na nakakasalo ka ng bola. Kasi yung my father ko, hindi siya hindi siya more of a sports kind of guy or athlete. Pero si nanay, talagang physically fit and able at talagang ang build niya pang athlete. Si nanay, always hindi siya masyadong vocal about things. Pagka siya nagsabi sa'yo, pakiramdam mo, pinapagalitan ka or sinasabihan ka or ang dating is more of a sermon that this is the right thing, this is the bad thing, these are the things that you should do. Pero on my 50th birthday, binigyan niya ako ng card. Sa card noon, may $100 $100 na card na yon. And I was 50 then, si nanay is around 85 years old. Binigyan niya sa akin yon. Actually, yung dollar ubos na. Pero yung message doon sa kanyang envelope andun pa rin. Yun yung pinost ko na sa Facebook. Nasabi niya doon is this: when you lose wealth, you lose nothing. Okay? When you lose your health, you lose something. But when you lose your character, you lost everything. Kaya tumatak sa isip ko yun. Kaya hanggang ngayon, yung upbringing niya sa amin, talagang yung beliefs niya na ito ang tama, ito ang the right way, ito yung dapat natin gawin. Kahit ikaw, pakukulong ka nun pagka nagkamali ka. Kaya ando kami sa point na we have to really to obey everything that's right in terms ng morally, religiously, at the same time, yung yung kanyang influence sa kanyang mga anak. Okay? Yun lang. That's the best advice I had. That was 2 years ago. To nanay, happy 88th birthday. And actually, I wish quality, quality na yung kanyang days na makukuha mo. Kasi ayoko na masyadong mahaba, mahirap pa mahaba. Doon tayo sa we enjoy the life that we're having right now. There's some arguments, kaya lang, there's a quality. And sometimes may guilt pa nga ako. Kasi I have less time na kung kailan mas kailangan mo yung kausap. Same time, pag-aalaga. Yun lang everyday na bigyan kita ng isang oras na makausap per day. Yung makinig lang ba? Hindi ko pa magawa. Pero hopefully, eventually, and magawa namin mag-usap ni na talagang at kailangan maging routinary kasi she's losing it medyo sa borderline ng talagang nakakalimot, naaalala yung nakaraan and there are some good times, bad times na naaalala niya and hopefully maalala is yung mostly yung good times natin. Kaya yun lang, wish you more of the quality days na we can share with each other.